In a world where safety and reliability are non-negotiable, the right fire detection system can make all the difference. Designed for versatility and performance, our advanced fire detection and alarm system is ideal for adaptive and multifunctional spaces. Supports up to 120 devices per loop. Ideal for small to medium buildings. Flexible Class A and B wiring for simplified installation. CAN bus technology for stable, interference-free communication. Monitor up to 16 zones with a vibrant 4.3-inch display, so you always know what's happening instantly. With up to 1,000 logged events, including fire, fault, and system updates, nothing slips through the cracks. Built-in test functions and programmable outputs make setup and maintenance effortless. Multi-language software support, free upgrades, and interconnection for up to 20 panels gives you complete control. And when the power goes out, your safety doesn't. A reliable battery backup ensures uninterrupted protection during critical moments. Save lives, protect properties, preserve the environment. Choose the fire detection system that delivers every time.